specialized engineering service needs. Tritorc presents pipe freezing line isolation services. A non-invasive technique that allows the creation of an ice plug with the use of cryogenic technology. This allows for maintenance and repairs without draining the entire system. This system finds use for plumbing, HVAC systems, industrial maintenance, and emergency repairs to isolate sections of the pipeline. Based on the principles of thermodynamics and heat transfer, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the fluid inside the pipe, causing it to freeze. Liquid to solid phase change is utilized to create the ice plug. The energy required for this phase change is known as the latent heat of fusion. The efficiency of the freezing process depends on the thermal conductivity of the pipe material and the fluid inside. This procedure allows for quick and efficient repairs without the need to shut down the entire system and reduces the risk of accidents associated with draining and cutting pipes, particularly in hazardous environments. Enables precise isolation of sections of the pipeline, reducing the impact on surrounding systems. Additionally, it reduces water wastage and eliminates the need for chemical treatments. Pipe freezing is a cost-effective, time-saving, and environment-friendly technique for isolating sections of pipelines for maintenance and repairs. It offers significant advantages over traditional methods, making it a valuable tool in various industries. When you're in need of non-invasive technique to isolate pipelines, Tritorc's Specialized Engineering Services Division is your ideal partner. Think solution, think Tritorc.